Well, come on, people. Twilight, stay there. Look. Yes? Oh, can you get me some food? Get them yourself for once, please. Oh. So you want me to do all the jobs now? Fine. Play that way. Oh, hey Rainbow. Hi Twilight. Do you know the dance tomorrow night? Yeah? Would you like to go with me? Sure, I hadn't asked that. I haven't asked already, so I guess we can. Okay, cool. Flutter. Coming. Okay, so what do we do? First day? You mean like first day back? Of course I do. How? Yeah. First day back. Oh, wow. I can't do anything anymore. I just got chewed. Ah. Ow. That hurt. I need to go clean up. Twilight. Ooh, icky, icky. What am I supposed to do? Son, I'm in the same room. I'm not your son, and I'm not retarded.